Welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to use the list element on your PageFly page. We use the list element to show a text-only list of related items that don't require an icon or other indicator. You will often see this item in the product page to show product description. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to set up general settings for the list element. Here we are in the PageFly page editor. You can find the list element in the standard elements of the catalog on the left of the PF editor. There are 3 variants, choose one for them, and then drag and drop on page canvas. Now, head over to the General tab on the right toolbar. In the List Items option, you can add new items to the element. Or delete the items like this. You can change the order of the list's items by moving the 3 dots icon on the left of the tab item's name. Scroll down to Maker Type. There are 5 marker types for you to choose from the list, including symbol, number, lowercase, uppercase and others. Each type has many different types, so you can choose the one you like. In case you don't want to display the marker type, you can choose the None option. You can choose the position of the marker type in the Market Position option, so it can be shown outside or inside the list item. With Item Spacing option, you can adjust the spacing between the list items. And with the Text Indent option, you can adjust the spacing between the text and the icon of the list item. Switch to the Styling tab. In the Content Color option, we will choose the red color. Scroll down to the Typography parameter, choose the font. And increase the font size to 18 pixels. You can set background to the list as well. Now I will click the List Item element. You can edit the content of the list in the item text box. If you want to show the icon, you just need to enable the Show Icon option. You can also edit text in each list item like this. Or set up click action to the item. Here I will choose this item, set scroll to section click action for it. When you click on this item, it will scroll to selected section. Switch to the Styling tab. Style you change in this Styling tab, it will only apply to this list item. For example, I change the content color. Only this item's color is changed to blue. Now click Publish. And live view to see how it works.
This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in-app live chat, or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.